name is Raud. I'm a freestyle rapper. So I need you guys to throw out random words at me, so I'll do freestyle with them. Are you guys down? So just throw one word. So maybe just do like that. You get past one, more just if you did throw non-stop. If you did throw non-stop, more just keep going.
Okay, anybody.
Stadium. Random. Football. Location. Okay. Yeah, let's start from here. Let me let these people know, say Raud, know they fear. Very soon, I'm a blow, that's stardom. I came around to ask you for words that are random. Throw it at me, I do them with the freestyle. It's your boy Raud, the name of the show, I call it Street Style. What's your own word? I think I forgot, but don't worry, bro. I still got all the words. But you know, this place, this medium. No, I'm doing the freestyle, I'm doing this stadium, but I'll never lose it. I don't want to lose it. The beats don't they cry. Why? Cause this Raud, I don't they bruise it. You know I'm the number one, like I said, I'm the true one. But I'm here to play it on the beat like it's football. Niggas all they know, every steady sliding. Talk about the flow, all these people trying to try me. They talk say, boy, how you gonna do I'm on the field? I talk say on my rap, like football, you go feel. Cause my rap, I bring it with so many inspiration. But steady killing the stadium, not the location. Bros, man, I'm back to you. You understand the way? No, I'm doing this free. Nobody they pay. All the words why they talk straight from my head. All of us for Nigeria steady grinding from the bed. But you know, like I said before, kill the beat, make it kick buckets. Waiting the right for this guy clothes. Be like saying a rocket. Basketball, football. I'm steady doing it, bro, because I'm the true one. You see, you know I'm balling like I'm going to the paradise. Talk about the flow, I treat the flow like a sacrifice. Kill it, take it to heaven. Rocket, NBA, Adidas #7. Everything with your clothes, it day for this head. Shout out to my guy, the color of shirt, it is red. But everybody understand, I'm the fucking bride in the game. Everybody understand, cause I'm the bright with the flow. Bright where I go. Niggas don't they feel I'm anywhere where I go. You know I'm always trying to do with this flow, nobody dash. I think this one is black, and this one too is ash. You understand the thing? I'm always trying to say it. These niggas talk about the beats for yeah, I'm trying to. It goes out. Fast, Abi. Now fast, Abi. Now Ramadan. For all these stupid people, God go punish the Ramadan. Because trying to do the thing. But let's keep rapping. You know I'm balling like the king. Wait, no be money food when these niggas trying to break fast. You know I'm killing it, bro. I never stay last. Because I'm mature. You know I'm old, bro. I'm mature. I'm a pro in this game, bro. I know be amateur. I played you with your word. You know it's your boy Raud. You know I'm killing every wall. Problem I'm trying to give you all the stuff, bro. You be like say you single, you be define love, right? But I said it cause you're single. It's your boy Raud. I'm making niggas hear the jingle. Okay, love with your girlfriend. Love, I'm still trying to get sex. Love, I'm trying to get it right. I'm trying to let the people know I'm gonna fuck you. Let's talk about your girlfriend. You get one, I mean you get two. Bro, she dey fuck man. Let's talk about your girl. You dey smile, ba. You and the girl for house and be ba. Don't be her name. You dey lie, bros. I don't call her name. You won't try to deny it, bros. Oh yeah, now let's hear her name. But I don't care about the name. It's your Raud with the game. Okay, you know I'm doing it. Shout out to my guys on the field. Like I said before, when I drop the flow, we gonna feel. You know your boy Raud coming with the speaker. This rap thing at my school, you know saying I'm the teacher. Okay, listen, like I said, this rap they my jeans. Should I talk about your clothes? Should I talk about his jeans? Okay, guys there, where they pass the ball around. See that guy for the middle. Why they trying to put him down? Okay, I know that bros with the blue boots. Other ones there, they look cool. Okay, they be like saying I'm middle man. Bro, I'm trying to feed the man. Now this kind of game we they play that time we dey little man. Every time we play middle man, I know they like him because I know Sabi collect the ball. They too they try him, but now I'm getting older. I know they play him again. Kind of thing I like to do now rap. That's my game. Cause every time I come around here with the freestyle, it's your boy Raud. You know I'm killing it with the street style. Thanks, Jare. Thanks. Thanks, Jare. Thanks. Mogo. Okay.
It's not easy to get.
Okay. See, everybody don't they complain. but I know if you fight for Nigeria, let me come clean. Let me talk about the flow, let me sound impressive. They talk say about rice and garri, everything is expensive, but I don't care. What you want make man to do? Government won't kill us, bros. Now the fucking truth. Why did they complain? Now why we come here to ball? Now the thing I got to say, but yeah, I got to give you more. You can help me with any word, you can drop it right here. I'ma fucking kill it any year, cause me I know they fear. You know I started rapping when I think I was 17, but now I'm steady killing it. You know I'm sicker than COVID-19. Listen, I be saying the word, saying every day. Like I said, the boy, you know I'm crazy, cool anyway. Bro, waiting you the way, I think it's gathering of the clans. It's your boy Rad, they cannot fuck me with their plans, cause I know be wicked man, bro, I know be tyrant. Waiting the rights for, yeah, I'm bigger than a giant. It's your boy, I'm doing every day. Like I said before, boy, you know I'm making like an holiday. Wait, my girlfriend at home, I think her name's Abiba, but my favorite designer, I think is Adidas. You understand the flow? I'm saying every day, like I'm always getting it. This boy, I'm surely on the way. Okay, wait, what the fucking flow? I think it's green, but it's looking like it's yellow, but I don't care. I just said it, I just made the word rhyme. It's your boy Rad, they know that I'm steady killing every time. I just said it, made the ball rhyme. I'm steady killing it, my people don't they feel at time. Okay, it's your boy Rad, I'm here with the rapping. Shout out to my people, all of them here steady clapping. I'm always killing it, the flow I'm doing every day. Like I said, I've been killing it, I treat the flow with the holiday. Thank you, Chairman. It's your boy Rad. Like I told you guys in the house, I'm here to pull the crowd, but I really did it. I'm sure you guys they feel it. You know I'm steady killing it, bro. This is fucking real shit. I got it.
I saw one love, bro. Give me one love.
Thanks. See, I get the sword. Okay, bros on the bump in here like say you want to rap. Okay, me I don't they feel out. Oh yeah, beg, make I dey clap. Hey, bros, make I rap about what? Make I rap about what? Okay, Mama Kechi wey dey fire akara. Let's go. You see, na so I meet her daughter, she dey do shakara. I'm talking about that Mama Kechi wey dey fry akara for the junction, that place for Taiwo. You understand my flow, you dey go hear am for Cairo. See, Mama Kechi, she dey do akara with some pap. But this one wey I can't dey stadium, me I can't hear to rap. You understand? I'm talking about Mama Kechi. Mama Kechi, wetin go rap with Mama Kechi? I think it's Chelsea, but I don't care. Let's take it back to akara. Talk about my niggas, all of them wey dey for Ankara. Yeah, that's the talkie. You know my flows, I talk it. You know all the clothes way I see for you, bro. You they talking. Okay, let's keep going. You know I'm steady killing. Like I said before, all my dirty flow, you gonna feel it. Yeah, see, you gonna hear this like the hair on your face. Niggas can't bear this. I don't get crazy with the thing. You know I'm getting crazy. You know your boy Rad. This guy be like, boy, you amazing. Cause every day that I go stupid with the flow. Every time, nigga, I can never stop paying. You know, hey, should I go on? Should I go on, bro? Should I keep the groove on? Do you like the flow? Okay, give me more words. Let's kill it. Let's bring down more words. See. Hey, all the Olosho girls waiting for your street. Hey, all those ones maybe say you want to give. Hey, all those ones where they enter for your house. Maybe say you go come out their skirt and come out of their blouse. Hey, all the Olosho waiting for the Broadway. Bros, I like your way. You they give them how much and they charge you for the knacks. I just a joke, bros. Me, I never start to knack.
Shortan at 500.
Okay, bros, Shortan at 500. Okay, Shortan. You don't say that at 500, I'm gonna take my pockets. That one no be problem. If I read that, that's the true one. I tried to rhyme it before when I said the football. But for here, when it comes to rap, I know they send person. I'm the GOAT for the rap game. I be like Messi. See, I know we ever stop. I know we ever flop. I never hit the ground. You know I'm always going to understand the flow, bro. I'm playing from the middle. I know we can't take for here, boy. I know even the fiddle. But niggas understand all the problems for here. They Harvard. Shout out to my guy for Chelsea. His name is Harvard. Yeah, all my guys, everybody straight, no bending. But they hold your post every day like it's Mendy. About me, he said this rap, you are really cool, but this rap thing, I'm the teacher, me at the school. But if you go school, no me say you no go broke. School now useless place, the stress go dey choke. You go drop it down, no be say you go breathe. Like I said before, it's Rad killing every beat. Let's go, yeah. It's your boy Rad. Boys on the shake me, bro. No be say I'm proud. I'm only saying anything straight from the head. Like I said, I'm all about the money and the bread. Okay, let's use you, everything on your body. You know it's your boy Rad killing it. I said nobody. Wait, listen, you don't hear me, Yan, ba? Shout out to Ibrahimovic playing for AC Milan. Okay, let's keep calling, keep every day. What the fuck is going on? That's Fly Emirates. All this one they talk, bro, say, oh yeah, do one. Niggas go they jump into conclusion like it's Puma, but let's keep going. More on. Okay, more on. Oh yeah. Drop your own word. Make I they give you on the fly. Make I they give you, bros. You know I know they lie. Oh yeah, bros, wetin happen? Why you don't they think am? Na me go they rap all your words. Oh yeah, bring am. Anything wey dey, any fucking problem, talk am for the world. This your boy Rad go solve them. You know I'm just rapping, talking about anything. She don't calm down for yeah, bro. Doing anything. Okay, let's walk down time. Alpha bros now. Give me all your words too. You know I'm saying it. I'm saucy like the sun is stew. I know these guys, these bros in the gym. Fresh boy, more. That's the dream. Now your body, bros. I won't get them. Chop with the knuckle, bro. Now you they get them. Okay, listen. I'm balling for this place like your papa. Waiting with this designer. You be like saying a kappa. Two niggas sitting by themselves. Then they thinking. Then steady dropping the flow, bros. What you feeling? You know when I said it. You know you go hear this. I see his own, bros. Where's your own? Like I said before, I'm doing on the flow. I'm getting everything, bro. You know I'm ready to blow. Okay, steady killing it. You know I'm pulling every swag. Shout out to my nigga putting on this nice bag. You looking so fresh, I can tell it from your face. It's your boy Rad. You know I've been killing in every place. Hey, for my house, you know saying I mean the sleepers. Bro, I like your drip. I like your sleepers. You know I'm killing it, killing anyhow. Like I said, I'm the #1. Yeah, I know the fraud. Okay, give me your word. Big I eat up. I am hungry. Give me your word before I vex. I did angry, but I'm just joking, bro. I'm just an easy guy. I'm trying to let these niggas understand I'm busy guy. You know I'm always come around here with the freestyle. Go and check me for YouTube. Only Rad with the street style. That's the way I post it. I post it every Sunday. I let these niggas understand the Sunday now my fun day. So that I go around the streets giving people many vibe, giving people all my flow. You know I make the niggas vibe. You don't feel the way these bros don't they move. Hey, I don't they rap on the beat, I they groove. Hey, this one I don't they enter my head, I they feel am. Hey, it's your boy Rad, I swear you go feel am. Okay, killing every flow, steady spilling. This one no be extra here, bros. I'm never spilling. You understand the flow? I deal with the punchline, but let me throw this shit in like it's just past the touchline. Yeah. Thanks for chilling. It's your boy Rad. I'm steady killing. Bros, this your boy, you can't train me. This rap, I don't even tire, you don't they drain me. Thanks, Jair, thanks.